Hello, hi dear friends. Today I am with a new topic in the education system, that is on teacher education in the 21st century. There is a huge difference between becoming a teacher and becoming an effective teacher. Effective teachers have a huge impact on learners and help them engage in lifelong learning. Effective teachers can make a world of difference on a child from any age. Let us think about our own schooling that we had. Do we remember a particular teacher who believed in us, inspired us, helped us, and made us confident that we could succeed? These good teachers are vitally important. Conversely, we probably remember a teacher who did not seem to care about the students, didn't make an effort to help us learn, or told us we weren't good enough. These are not the kind of teachers or professors that children and the youth need today in the 21st century. You can do what I can't do. I can do what you can't do. Together we can do great things, says Mother Teresa. Teaching is a very significant and noble profession, but there are some characteristics that can really help us and everyone to become effective teachers in the 21st century educational scenario. Every teacher is specially unique in his or her own way. The 21st century education brings ample opportunities in education system and the curriculum for the further growth of the professional teaching and professional learning. The effective teachers in the 21st century need to be lifelong learners, teacher leaders, and members of professional communities. As more digital tools become available and technologies that facilitate learning in multiple modalities through synchronous and asynchronous online environments become more prevalent and accessible, the 21st century teachers need to make available all the possible resources for their classrooms and teaching, and they need to be active promoters who continue seeking additional tools and avenues to improve student learning. The 21st century teaching means teaching as you have always taught, but with today's tools and technology. It means utilizing everything that is important in today's world so that students will be able to live and prosper in today's economy, as well as having the ability to guide students and to prepare them for the future. The 21st century teaching needs to be different from the teaching of other centuries. And teachers need to continue to have the commitment, learning, enthusiasm, and student focus, etc. Dear friends, let me wind up with the role of the 21st century teacher, that is, learning and teaching about different perspectives which stimulate the creativity and innovation by offering new ways of thinking which can enhance all the three domains of us, such as cognition, affectivity, and psychomotor activity. A big thanks to each and every one of you. God bless you.